Two Missouri River towboats operated by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers Omaha District are undergoing major engine overhauls to ensure reliable navigation in river maintenance operations ahead of the 2026 season.
They have a little over 20+ thousand hours on them, which they're due for an overhaul. They'll go down for a full rebuild. New heads, new injectors, new pumps, all components that are bolted to the engine are going to be rebuilt so that when we put them back in, everything is new, just like a new engine would be.
Getting the engines out of the towboats required careful maneuvering and patience. Mechanics coordinated with a crane operator by radio to remove the engines through openings in the tops of the vessels. This process involved dismantling the exhaust stacks and lifting thousands of pounds of equipment first.
The mains are around 6,000 pounds apiece with no transmission on them. The gen sets are somewhere between 650 and 700, 750 apiece, depending on what fluids not on them. So it requires a pretty good sized crane.
Once removed, the engines were loaded onto trailers and transported to Memphis, Tennessee for full machining and rebuilding.
We anticipate the engines to last probably another 20 to 25,000 hours, which is equivalent to, with our time frame of running on the river, maybe 25 to 28 years.
The Omaha District places approximately 30,000 to 40,000 tons of rock annually. The towboats are essential to maintaining about 250 miles of the Missouri River, from Rulo, Nebraska to Sioux City, Iowa.
These boats are used daily to push barges up and down, and when a boat is down, it's a significant impact to the MRPO's mission.